Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about a special case of relative velocity, that is position time graphs of two objects with velocities in opposite directions showing the time of meeting. Actually, in the previous videos, we were discussing about relative velocity and its special cases. We have already discussed about the position time graphs of two objects with equal velocities and the position time graphs of two objects with unequal velocities. Okay, but in this video we are going to discuss about the position time graph of two objects with velocities in opposite directions and showing the time of meeting. I will provide the link for the other two special cases, the other two graphs and the relative velocity in the description box. You can watch that. So here, suppose we have two objects, one is A, another one is B. And suppose this object A, it is initially, that is at t equal to 0, it is at 10 meters away from the origin. And suppose this object A, it is moving with the velocity VA, which is equal to 20 meter per second. So its different position values with the time are given here in this table. So when we are considering this interval of time, you can see its velocity is 30 minus 10 divided by 1 minus 0, that is x2, x1, then t2, t1. So velocity x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. So 30 minus 10 divided by 1 minus 0, 30 minus 10 is 20, 20 by 1, that is 20 meter per second. Okay, now consider another object B, which is initially, that is at t equal to 0, it is at 40 meters away from the origin. Okay, now suppose this object is moving with a velocity, that is velocity of B, let it be minus 10 meter per second. That is, it is moving in the opposite direction. Okay, B travels with a speed 10 meter per second, but the negative sign shows that it is in the opposite direction. Okay, so you just consider this interval of time and the velocity of that B will be what? X2 will be 30, X1 will be 40. So velocity X2 minus X1 divided by T2 minus T1. 30 minus 40 by 1 minus 0. 30 minus 40 is what? Minus 10. Minus 10 by 1. That is minus 10 meter per second. Now, let us draw the graphs of these two objects. Let us draw the position time graphs of these two objects having velocities in opposite directions. So first let us draw the graph of this object A. See, at t equal to 0, the position of the object A is 10 meters. Okay, this is the distance or the displacement or the position in meters. Okay, so 10 meters away from the origin. So here we have the position which is marked along this axis in meters, and here we have the time axis. Time is measured in seconds. So for A, at t equal to 0, its position is 10 meters away from the origin. So at t equal to 0, position is 10 meters. So it will be, the 10 will be somewhere here. Okay, then t equal to 1 second, its position is 30 meters from the origin. T equal to 1 second, 30 meters. The point will be somewhere here. Then 2 seconds 50 meters, 2 seconds 50 meters, 3 seconds 70 meters, 3 seconds 70 meters will be somewhere here. Then 4 seconds, its position is 90 meters away from the origin. So in the 4th second, the position of A is 90 meters away from the origin. So we will get a corresponding point here. 5 seconds, in the 5th second, its position is 110 meters away from the origin. So we will get a point here. So we got so many points here. Then to get its graph, we just want to join all these points. So you see, we got the position time graph of this object A moving with the velocity 20 meter per second. Now let us plot the position time graph of B. Its position time values are given here in this table. So at t equal to 0 seconds, its position is 40 meters away from the origin. So t equal to 0 seconds, initially the object B is at 40 meters away from the origin. So we will get a point here. Okay, then t equal to 1 seconds, corresponding position value is 30 meters. So t equal to 1 seconds, 30 meters. The point is somewhere here. Alright. Then in the second, it is at 20 meters away from the origin. Second, t equal to 2 seconds. Position 20 meters. So we will get a point here. Then 3, 10. 3, 10. We will get a point here. Okay. Then 4, 0. 4, 0. We will get a point here. Then 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 will be somewhere here. Okay, so we got so many points here corresponding to the position and time values of this object B. Then to get its position time graph, we just want to join all these points. So this is actually the position time graphs of two objects A and B with velocities in opposite direction. That is, velocity of A is 20 meter per second and B is minus 10 meter per second. So velocities in opposite directions. Then you see these two objects A and B, they meet at t equal to 1 second. Okay, now here what will be the velocity of B with respect to A? A is actually moving with the velocity 20 meter per second. Then B is actually moving with the velocity minus 10 meter per second. So speed is 10 meter per second, but in opposite direction. So there is a negative sign here. Okay, now what about the velocity of B with respect to A? Velocity of B minus velocity of A as per the equation. So which is equal to velocity of B minus 10 minus velocity of A is 20. Okay, so minus 10 minus 20 minus 30 meter per second. So velocity of B with respect to A is minus 30 meter per second. Okay. So this is the velocities. What about the magnitude of velocity of B with respect to A? Magnitude of that relative velocity will be 30 meter per second, no? While we are considering the magnitude, that is, we are taking the speed of that object B with respect to A. That will be 30 meter per second. So if these two objects A and B, if you are taking these two objects A and B are, as cars, car A and car B. So the speed of the car B, it is actually 10 meter per second. Speed. Okay, I'm not talking about velocity. Speed. So we don't want to take this negative sign. Speed means it is actually the magnitude of velocity. So speed of the car B is 10 meter per second and speed of the car A is 20 meter per second. Okay, but for a person sitting in car A, speed of car B is 10 meter per second. But for a person sitting in car A, the car B appears to move with a speed 30 meter per second. Okay, I hope you understood. Speed of car B is 10 meter per second. Okay, I'm talking about speed, that is magnitude of velocity. So I'm not taking this negative sign now. Okay, speed of the car B is 10 meter per second actually. But for a person with respect to the car A, the speed of the car B, okay, speed of the car B with respect to the car A is 30 meter per second. Speed, so I'm not taking this negative sign, 30 meter per second. That is, actually the car B moves with a speed 10 meter per second. But for a person sitting in car A, the car B appears to move with a speed 30 meter per second, which is greater than 10 meter per second and 20 meter per second. Right, that is, for a person sitting in car A, the car B appears to, or it seems to go very fast. Right, car B is actually moving with a speed 10 meter per second. But car A is also moving with a speed 20 meter per second in another direction. So with respect to a person sitting in that car A, this car B seems to go with a speed 30 meter per second. That is, car B seems to go very fast. Okay. So in this video, we have just discussed about a special case of that relative velocity. That is the position time graphs of two objects with velocities in opposite directions, which shows the time of their meeting and all. I hope you understood this video. Thank you.